Now let's see the next problem. Find x by y when x square plus 6y square is equal to 5xy. So what they have given is x square plus 6y square is equal to 5xy they have given. They are asking us to find out x by y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this equation x square plus 6y square is equal to 5xy. So I'm going to bring this equation in this format x by y so that I can find out the value of x by y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this equation by y square throughout. What happens is x square by y square plus 6y square by y square is equal to 5xy by y square. So this is x square by y square plus y square gets cancelled. It becomes plus 6. This is equal to 5x y and 1 y in the denominator gets cancelled, so it becomes 5xy. Now I can write this equation as x by y the whole square. Let me bring this term to the other side. It becomes minus 5x by y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now we can see this is a quadratic equation in x by y. So let me find out the solution of this quadratic equation. So the solution I can find it out as 6. When I split it as minus 3 and minus 2. Minus 3 into minus 2 is 6, and if I add minus 3 and minus 2, I'm getting minus 5. So I can write this equation, the solution of this equation as x by y minus 3 into x by y minus 2 is equal to 0. Let me equate the first term to 0. X by y minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, x by y is equal to 3. Again, x by y minus 2, this is equal to 0. Then x by y, let me bring this 2 to the other side, it becomes 2. Therefore, find the value of x by y they have given. Therefore, the value of x by y is 3, 2. Let's see the problem. If the ratio between 8 and 11 is the same as the ratio of 2x minus y to x plus 2y, find the value of 7x by 9y. So what is given is the ratio between 8 and 11 is same as the ratio of 2x minus y to x plus 2y. So this is given. So I can write it as 8 is to 11 is equal to 2x minus y is to x plus 2y. So this is given in the question. They're asking us to find out 7x by 9y. So let me simplify this first to find out 7x by 9y. I can write this as 8 by 11 is equal to 2x minus y by x plus 2y. Let me cross multiply. 8 into x plus 2y is equal to 11 into 2x minus y. Let me multiply the 8 inside the bracket. I'll be getting 8x plus 8 into 2 is 16y is equal to 11 into 2 is 22x minus 11y. Let me bring all the terms to one side. 8x plus 16y minus 22x plus 11y is equal to 0. 8x minus 22x is minus 14x plus 16y plus 11y is 27y is equal to 0. Now this I can write it as, let me bring this 14x to the other side so that the negative sign becomes positive. So I can write this as 14x is equal to 27y. Now let me bring, they're asking us to find out 7x by 9y. What I'm going to do is, now I can write this as 2 into 7x, which is equal to, here they are asking us to find out 9y, so I can write this term as 3 into 9y. So they are asking us to find out 7x by 9y. Let me bring that to the other one side. 7x by 9y. So the right hand side, 3 by is 2. I'm bringing to the other side. It comes to the denominator. So 7x by 9y is equal to 3 by 2. So this is a simple problem. So what is given is the ratio between 8 and 11 is same as the ratio of 2x minus y to x plus 2y. So I have taken this one. I have cross multiplied, simplified it, and I have got 14x is equal to 27y. In this I can write 14 as 2 into 7 and 27 as 3 into 9y. I am bringing 7x by 9y to the left hand side, which is what we are it is asked in the question. And the remaining I'm bringing to the right hand side. So 3 by this 2, when it comes to the other side, comes to the denominator. So 7x by 9y is equal to 3 by 2. Now let's see the next problem. Divide rupees 1290 into A, B and C such that A is 2 by 5 of B and B is to C is 4 is to 3. So what they are doing is 1290 rupees, they are dividing it for A, B and C such that A is to B is 2 by 5 and B is to C is 4 is to 3 they have given. So given what all is given, let me write it first. A plus B plus C. A share plus B share plus C share, if I add, this is equal to 1290. This is what is given here. Next condition is A is 2 by 5 of B. A is equal to 2 by 5 of B, which implies A by B is equal to 2 by 5, or I can write it as A is to B is equal to 2 is to 5. Next condition is B is to C is equal to 4 is to 3. The next condition is B is to C is equal to 4 is to 3. So I need to combine these two ratios. If I want to combine these two ratios, the B value should be same, only then I can combine these two ratios. For making these two B ratios same, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this equation by 4, and I'm going to multiply 4 is to 3 by 5. So what happens is A is to B is equal to, I'm going to multiply it by 4. So 4 into 2 is 8 is to 5 into 4 is 20, and B is to C is equal to, I'm going to multiply it by 5. Again 4 into 5 is 20 is to 3 into 5 is 15. Now I can see the B value, that is the B ratio is same. So now I can combine these two ratios and I can write it as A is to B is to C is equal to 8 is to 20 is to 15. Now I need to find out A's share and B's share and C's share. For that, the total is 8 plus 20 plus 15. This is equal to 43. So now let me find out the A's share in 1290. A's share is total, it is 43. In that 8 is A's share of 1290. So this is equal to, if you simplify this, multiply 8 into 1290 and divide it by 43, you will be getting rupees 240. Next I have to find out the B's share of 1290. Total, it is 43. In that B's is 20 into 1290. 20 by 43 into 1290. So simplify this and find out the value. You will be getting 600. Next, C's share is equal to total is 43. It is being divided. If you add, you are getting 43. In that C is 15. 15 by 43 of 1290. This is equal to rupees 450. If you add all these three values, it will be equal to 1290. So A's share is 240, B's share is rupees 600 and C's share is rupees 450. Now let's see the next problem. A school has 630 students. The ratio of number of boys to the number of girls is 3:2. The ratio changes to 7:5 after the admission of 90 new students. Find the number of newly admitted boys. So in a school there are 630 students. In that, number of boys to number of girls is 3:2 they have given. Now what happens is the ratio changes to 7:5 after. Now new admissions are 90 students. In this we doesn't know how many girls and how many boys are there. So 90 students there is a new admission. When you add 90 students to 630 students, the ratio of number of boys to number of girls is 7:5. So in this problem they are asking us to find out the number of newly admitted boys. So what is given is the number of total students is 360. So number of, what is given, let me write down first. Number of boys plus number of girls. So if I add the number of boys and number of girls, it is equal to 630. So next what is given is number of boys, the ratio of number of boys to number of girls is given. Number of boys is to number of girls is equal to 3:2 they have given. So we know the total number of students. In that the ratio of boys and girls is 3:2. So let me find out number of boys and number of girls in the school. Number of boys and let me find out number of girls out of 630. So this is equal to, so 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So the total of 5, 3 is the parts of 3 parts is boys. So 3 by 5 of 630. So this is equal to, so if I simplify, I am getting 378 boys. So in a school there are 378 boys. Again, the total of 5, 2 parts are girls. So 2 by 5 of 630. So this is equal to 252 girls. So we have found out the number of boys and number of girls in the school. when the total is 630. So what happened is, now new admission is 90 new students have been joined to the school. So in 90 students, they have joined, that we doesn't know how many boys and how many girls are there. So let me take X boys have joined. Okay, X boys have joined. So remaining is girls. So remaining is 90 minus X. So 90 minus X girls have joined in the school. So what happened is, the ratio changes after 90 students have joined. The ratio to the number of boys to the number of girls is 7:5. So just now we found out the number of boys is 378. So now newly X boys have joined the school. So the new so 378 plus new addition of boys is X is 2. The number of girls in the school is 252 plus the new admission is 90 minus X. The new ratio, it is given in the question, the new ratio is 7:5. So let me equate this to be equal to 7:5. So I can write this as 378 plus X by, let me add this two, I'm getting 342 minus X is equal to 7/5. So let me cross multiply to find out the value of X. 5 into 378 plus X is equal to 7 into 342 minus X. So if I multiply, I'm getting 1890 plus 5X is equal to 2394 minus 7X. Let me bring the X term to one side, the remaining term to the other side. 5X plus 7X is equal to 1394 minus 1890. 5X plus 7X is 12X. So this is equal to, if I subtract, I'm getting 504. X is equal to 504 divided by 12. If I simplify, I'm getting X is equal to 42. So X is nothing but boys, number of boys. So the new admission is 42 boys. This is what they have asked us to find out. Number of newly admitted boys. So you have found out it is equal to number of newly admitted boys is equal to 42. So if they ask us to find out the girls, it's nothing but 90 minus X. So let me write number of newly admitted girls is equal to 90 minus X, which is equal to 90 minus X is 42, which is equal to 48 girls. So 42 boys and 42 girls. Welcome to my channel ViewMath. Today let's see ratio and proportion. In that, let's see the first problem. What quantity must be subtracted from each term of the ratio 9:17 to make it equal to 1:3? So they are asking us to find out the quantity which is being subtracted from each term. Now from 9 is to 17, if from each term a quantity is being subtracted, and that is after subtracting the ratio is equal to 1 is to 3. So we need to find out the quantity. So let me find out the quantity. Let me take the quantity to be x. Let the quantity be x, which is subtracted from 9 is to 17. Okay, so how to write this is, so quantity is subtracted from each term. So 9 minus x by 17 minus x. After subtracting, it is given that it is equal to 1 is to 3. So let me equate 9 minus x by 17 minus x is equal to 1 by 3. That is 1 is to 3. First let me cross multiply to find the value of x. So 3 into 9 minus x, which is equal to 1 into 17 minus x. 3 into 9 is 27 minus x equal to 17 minus x. So let me take all the term to one side, or let me take the x term to one side and numbers to the other side. Here 3 into 9 is 27 and 3 into x is 3x. Okay, minus 3x. I'm taking this x term to the side, so it becomes plus x, which is equal to 17. I'm taking 27 to the other side, it is minus 27. So let me simplify this. This is equal to minus 2x equal to minus 10. X is equal to minus 10 by minus 2. The negative sign gets cancelled. 2 1 times and 2 5 times. So x is equal to 5. So this is the quantity which is being subtracted from 9 is to 7 to make it equal to 1 is to 3. Now let's see the next problem. The monthly pocket money of Ravi and Sanjeev are in the ratio 5 is to 7. Their expenditure are in the ratio 3 is to 5. If each saves rupees 80 every month, find their monthly pocket money. So there are two boys, Ravi and Sanjeev. They are given the pocket money, monthly pocket money, which are in the ratio 5 is to 7. So with that pocket money, they are spending some amount that is in the ratio 3 is to 5. And some amount they are saving. Both are saving the same amount. Rupees 80 is the savings of both the boys. Now they are asking us to find out monthly pocket money of Ravi and Sanjeev. Solution. Now monthly pocket money is equal to, so both of them are getting monthly pocket money. In that some they are spending and some amount they are saving. So monthly pocket money is equal to expenditure plus savings. Now expenditure are in the ratio 3 is to 5. So the expenditure of, I can say expenditure of Ravi is equal to 3 some constant k. Expenditure of Sanjeev is equal to 5 into the constant k. Savings of both is savings of both is, both are saving the same amount. It is rupees 80 is the saving of both Ravi and Sanjeev. Now what is the monthly pocket money of Ravi? Monthly pocket money of Ravi is equal to expenditure plus saving. Expenditure of Ravi is 3k and saving plus saving is 80. Monthly pocket money of Sanjeev. Monthly pocket money of Sanjeev is equal to expenditure is 5k plus saving is 80. Now here the question is given that monthly pocket money of Ravi and Sanjeev are in the ratio 5:7. So let me equate the monthly pocket money of Ravi and Sanjeev to 5:7. I can write it as 3k plus 80. This is the monthly pocket money of Ravi divided by, it is given in the ratio form. So I am writing it in the ratio form. This is equal to 5:7. So it is 5/7. Let me cross multiply to find out the value of k first. 7 into 3k plus 80 is equal to 5 into 5k plus 80. 3 into 7 is 21k plus 80. 7 into 80 is 560 is equal to 5 into 5 is 25k plus 5 into 80 is 400. Let me take the k terms to one side and the numericals to the other side. I can take 25k. Let me bring this 21k to the other side. It becomes minus 21k. In the left hand side 560. Let me bring this 400 to the other side. It becomes minus 400. So this is equal to 160 is equal to 4k. Now k is equal to, let me bring this 4 to the other side, comes to the denominator. I'm just changing the left hand side to the right hand side. So k is equal to 160 by 4. So this is equal to 40. So your k value is 40. Now I can find out the monthly pocket money of Ravi and Sanjeev. Monthly pocket money of monthly pocket money of Ravi is 3k plus 80. Let me substitute 3k value, just now we found out it is 40 plus 80. This is equal to 120 plus 80, which is equal to rupees 200. So this is the monthly pocket money of Ravi. Now let me find out the monthly pocket money of Sanjeev. Monthly pocket money of Sanjeev is equal to 5k plus 80. This is equal to 5k value, just now we found out it is 40 plus 80. This is equal to 200 plus 80. This is equal to rupees 280. So this is a monthly pocket money of Sanjeev is 280 and monthly pocket money of Ravi is 200.